my God! See how fast we can get up here. Then we'll stop at top, film them a bit. Try and do feet up as well. Oh, yeah. As soon as I said that, fucked it up massively. Miles better riding it with a bit of flow on like that. Normally don't get to do that. Michelin. Oh, nutted it. We had a dab. It's good. One. Doesn't set this right hand line. Bloody lovely, lad. It was bloody lovely, wasn't it? Did you see that? It was bloody lovely. Stop. Oh, Daniel. Yes, Bob.
Promised a lot, delivered nothing.
Test that suspension. Bloody lovely bozzer. Woo! Scouty's joined us on a 150. Big extreme difference from last week when he was on a 450. The lads. Go on, lads. We're into the dark stuff. Yeah, Stroudy. Home sweet home. Is anyone in? What? Let me film that. A Guinness pump? Oh yeah. The singing bard in. Have you built that? I thought you might have done. Battery's gone, Bob. It's a shame because that would have looked sick.
Hey,
Some seedy goings on in there already. Oh wow. Bloody hell. That'll get your bike dirty, won't it? Frosty ground meant I'd had a nice clean bike up until then. Oh no, we're gonna get soaked here. Maybe not. Come on, Bobby, send it! Hopefully Bolzer does a better job than me. Yes, Bolzer! That was brilliant! Pop it on nose. Not quite what I was actually. Oh, bloody hell. That was good, James. Not sure. Oh well. On Husky Hill. Bloody lovely that, Stroudy. Not bad. Wine's on nice, that. Oh my god! Put a couple of steering corrections in then, didn't he?
Didn't know which way he was going, did he?
My god!
Well clean out there, that was alright, Larry, wasn't it?
That was the best.
That's a thumbnail! I don't even know what happened.
That.
My hand just fell off handlebars.
Wowee.
If you want to screenshot that up there.
Wowee.
It's like one of them.
Oh my god, Borry.
You want to put Edric Rock off?
Borry.
I hope that one Casey.
That was so good, Borry. Full swinging arm delete.
Oh wow.
I've never seen one like that. Can it?
You got out of it?
Yeah. Never seen anyone.
It's milk weird and everything, look. She ain't slack
That look.
I know, I said it.
Bobby, I don't know why you're laughing. I know where next one's coming from. Snow's falling now. That's been a good day. Freezing cold all day with the wind, the temperature. But hell, what a ride. I hope Dixon's alright. He's laid in A&E right now. Hurt his knee again this morning, which you'll have seen on the vlog by now. Boz has gone home to order a new swinging arm. which you'll have also seen. And we're left, heading home now. Been brutal, but loved it. Keep riding. Keep watching the vlog. Keep liking, keep subscribing, and give us a comment below. What bike do you think I should buy next? That's what I want to know. And we'll ride it in these conditions. Woo! Brutal! Right, like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bosh.